switch the display mode to navigation chart. Press Menu. Select Quickdraw Contours. Start recording. The circle represents the area that is scanned by the sonar, and the colors represent. To stop, select Stop Recording. Go to My Vessel. Depth and anchoring. Keel Offset. Enter your offset value. This feature can compensate the water depth reading for the transducer installation location. You can choose to view the water depth below the keel or the true water depth. You will receive an alarm when you or other boats enter or leave the boundary. Hold Alarm. Select Boundaries. New. Let's use Area to demonstrate. Move the cursor and add point to draw the boundary. You can edit each boundary's own color, alert, and so on. Go to Appearance. Overlay data. Toggle the information you want to show or hide. And that's it. Thank you for watching.